Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. This is Marston. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple split screen. Now there are two methods to do this. I'm going to show you the first method in this tutorial, and I'll create another tutorial to show you the second method. Both methods have their advantages and disadvantages. So let's get into it. Right here on the timeline, I have some footage which I downloaded from Pexels as usual. This is just a model in a park or somewhere, and another model just dancing in a studio. Right, so to do that, I'm going to make sure that the clip of this model is on top of the other one, just like that. I'm going to highlight both, drag them to a new layer, and I'm going to come here under generators. Make sure that you are here under effects, come to generators and search for solid color. I'm just going to click and drag that below these clips. This will work as our background. Click, hold it, stretch it to the duration of the other clips. Highlight it. The default is black color, so the split screen, if it's showing the background, it will be a black color, but I want the color to be different, so I'm just gonna say pick screen color. Let's just make it white. Let's just click on white and click OK. Let me highlight both these clips, drag them to the left, and drag the playhead here. As you can see, the background is now white, so let me click, hold those, and drag them back. Right now, the clip this clip with this model here will be on the left, and the clip below will be on the right. So to do that, let me just click and highlight the clip with this model here, and come under inspector, under cropping. We just want to say crop left, crop it to the left, and then we are going to crop it to the right, just like that, and come here under transform, position, click and drag to the left. Now we're going to highlight the second clip, which is below. Now this time we're not going to use the crop that's here. We're going to use the crop that's here underneath this the viewer here. Just click the drop down, make sure that crop is selected. We're going to click and hold and drag the handle this side, and click and hold and drag the handle this side. And once again, we can come under transform here, or we can come here and select this transform and click and hold the video with the model and drag it to the left, just like that. And then we just click to deselect it. Maybe we want to change the position a bit. We can come here and refine this. Maybe let's say, no, this is the zoom. We want exactly, let's fill the display, and we can drag even this model a bit to the left, just like that, so that and maybe just fine-tune these things. Just drag, okay, just like that. All right, so let's just play those back. As you can see, we've generated a simple split screen in Davinci Resolve. Now you can always change the color of the background. As you can see, it's white. Just come to this solid color layer here, pick screen. You can choose any color that you want that matches. You can even do a pink, like this sort of pink. Okay, click on it, click OK. So pretty much that is how you create a simple split screen in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.